Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log out on DoorDash. Pretty simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your DoorDash application, which of course I've done right here. Next thing is, where do you find DoorDash or how can you download DoorDash? You can get DoorDash on Google Play Store, Apple Store, or even the web application using any browser of your choice. Once you sign up and sign in successfully, you can rest assured that's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in DoorDash. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to log out on DoorDash. Let's say you're done placing an order or you're done exploring DoorDash and you just want to take a temporary leave. You just want to step out temporarily, and then once you're done you can just get back in. Here's exactly how you can step out, literally logging out. This is how you can log out in DoorDash. Now head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're gonna find three icons: your personal account icon and notification bell and your cart icon. Go ahead and click on your personal account icon and it's going to take you to the accounts window. In this window, you're going to find profile, DoorDash rewards, payment methods, addresses, saved notifications, video settings, gift cards, get help, privacy, and just a lot more. From this page, the first thing that you have to do is to click on profile. Now, profile is the first element you're going to find in this window or under the category of account. Now, go ahead and click on profile. Once you click on profile, that's going to take you to your account info. Here we have the first name, the last name, country, phone number, email address, change password, and you have that fantastic option staring at you in the face which says log out. And then you have your save login info. If you want to do that, that's fine. So all you need to do to log out is to literally log out by clicking the logout button. So click on the logout button right there just below change password, and once you click on logout, that's it. You don't have to stress yourself so much. You don't have to fill out anything. You don't have to fill in any information. Just click on logout and it's going to log you out. It's that simple. So click on logout and you'll log out. And remember, it's pretty much important for you to remember that you need to get your details or your login details off heart. All right, so you need to get it by heart, off art, off your head, anyhow you want to do that, whatever English that is. But you need to get it somewhere, because once you're logging in, you have to remember your details to log in so you don't have hiccups or issues trying to log in. This is pretty much the process. Just go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.